Making progress. Stained at the top, the front. Gonna do a few more coats. Got the mesh, ventilation, mapping out the insides for the branches and everything where I'm gonna spray from all that stuff. Can't really see it. These little holes right here are for oops. Focus. There we go. Those little holes are for the whatchamacallit. Oh wow, you might want dark. Okay, whatever. The cables. Coated everything with Drylok. Like I said, gonna stain the front a little bit more. Top is pretty much done. And here is another lip board that I'm coating with Drylok. Got the front lip on this one finished. The entire enclosure will be black by the time it is done. And then I will start spray foaming the inside and using XPS foam to create the background. I'm going to be using a mix. I'll explain that process later.